Guys, good day and thank you for visiting my channel Ride TV. We are going to make an unboxing video of this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. In this video, we are going to review some features, technical specs, specifications, and its main features of this JBL Flip 5 by HARMAN. Dare to listen. Now, what would we expect from this portable Bluetooth speaker having dimensions of 181 by 69 and by 74 millimeter dimensions in width, depth, and in height? From its packaging, we could expect a 12 hours of playtime, and it has a waterproof seal of an IPX7. Now, what's that? Well, at least it's waterproof. Its Bluetooth version is 4.2, rated power of 20 watts RMS. Frequency response is 65 Hz to 20 kHz. Battery charging time is at about 2.5 hours. Now, here's the good part. Its music playing time is up to 12 hours, and it varies by volume, level, and audio content. And it weighs 540 grams. And JBL's very own party boost. Guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please give it a like or thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please join me until the end of this video, and let's have a sound test. The packaging is neatly done and tough. And it's best suited for the great outdoors. Any outdoor activities would really suit this portable speaker. I really would like to recommend this speaker to all music lovers out there because it's versatile and handy by its size and build. It's really reliable. I can't say much about the price because I bought this one here in India. I guess other places would have much or lesser price due to some taxes. This speaker is very handy and you can bring it everywhere. I mean everywhere because you can strap it in your bicycle. For me, I plan it to bring it with me during my rides with my or in my motorcycle. During long rides or mountain rides.
Need a bang on my bullet. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Stay humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out. Maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop. Stop it up. Don't stop. That is your chance to be rude. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, eat real hard. 5, out what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's
Guys, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.